Meet Living Proof's Restore Perfecting Spray. It's the perfect solution to make dry, damaged hair look and feel its healthiest ever. This power-packed, lightweight spray goes beyond moisture to give parched, straw-like strands everything they need to feel soft, silky, and, well, perfect. It starts working right out of the shower when hair is most susceptible to damage. Restore Perfecting Spray helps reduce the stress from combing that can lead to damage. Smoother, easier detangling means less breakage now and more beautiful hair later. Plus, it has heat and UV protection, so your hair is safe from heat styling and you won't have to fear the sun. Finally, thanks to our time-release conditioning, Restore Perfecting Spray works around the clock to keep hair soft and smooth, morning to night. Here's how to use it. On clean, damp hair, spray it from roots to ends, focusing on tangled areas. Comb through, and then style as usual. Get and keep hair looking and feeling healthy all day, every day.